Taking care of your skin is more than just a matter of appearance. It's crucial for your overall health. The skin is the body's largest organ, acting as a barrier against infection and environmental damage. Proper skincare can help maintain this barrier, prevent issues such as dryness, acne, and premature aging, and boost your confidence. Skin anatomy basics. Understanding the basics of skin anatomy helps in comprehending how skincare products work. The skin has three primary layers: the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. The epidermis is the outermost layer that provides a waterproof barrier and creates our skin tone. The dermis, beneath the epidermis, contains tough connective tissue, hair follicles, and sweat glands. The deeper subcutaneous tissue, hypodermis, is made of fat and connective tissue. Common skin types. Identifying your skin type is essential for choosing the right products. The common skin types are normal, well-balanced, neither too oily nor too dry; oily, shiny, greasy, and prone to acne; dry, flaky, rough, and tight. Combination: oily in some areas, T-zone, and dry in others. Sensitive, prone to redness, burning, or itching. Understanding your skin type. Identifying your skin type. To identify your skin type, cleanse your face and leave it bare for an hour. Then, examine your skin. If your skin feels tight or flaky, it's likely dry. If it appears shiny and feels greasy, especially in the T-zone, you have oily skin. If you notice an oily T-zone but dry cheeks, you have combination skin. Normal skin feels balanced, neither too oily nor too dry. Sensitive skin reacts with redness, itching, or burning to certain products. Tailoring skincare to your skin type. Once you know your skin type, tailor your routine accordingly. Normal skin. Use gentle, balanced products. Oily skin. Opt for oil-free, non-comedogenic products, and incorporate exfoliation. Dry skin. Focus on hydration and moisturizing with rich creams. Combination skin. Balance your routine to address both oily and dry areas. Sensitive skin. Use hypoallergenic and fragrance-free products. Seasonal and environmental impacts. Your skin type can change with seasons and environmental conditions. In winter, skin tends to be drier due to low humidity, requiring extra hydration. In summer, oil production can increase, necessitating lighter products. Daily skincare routine. Morning routine. 1. Cleansing. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities and excess oil accumulated overnight. 1. Try our gentle, sulfate-free cleanser for a fresh start to your day. 2. Toning. Use a toner to balance your skin's pH and prepare it for the next steps. 2. Balance your skin's pH with our alcohol-free toner. 3. Moisturizing. Apply a moisturizer suitable for your skin type to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. 3. Lock in moisture with our lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer. 4. Sunscreen. Never skip sunscreen. 4. It protects your skin from harmful UV rays and prevents premature aging. 4. Shield your skin with our broad-spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen. Evening routine. 1. Makeup removal. Use a makeup remover or cleansing oil to dissolve makeup and sunscreen. 1. Effortlessly remove makeup with our gentle cleansing oil. 2. Cleansing. Follow with a gentle cleanser to ensure all makeup and impurities are washed away. 2. Double cleanse for spotless, refreshed skin. 3. Toning. Apply toner to remove any remaining traces of makeup and restore skin's pH balance. 3. Prep your skin for treatment with our soothing toner. 4. Treatments. Use serums or treatments targeting specific concerns, such as anti-aging, hydration, or acne. 4. Revitalize your skin with our potent vitamin C serum. 5. Moisturizing. Finish with a night cream to repair and hydrate your skin while you sleep. 5. Wake up to glowing skin with our nourishing night cream. Specialized skincare treatments. Exfoliation. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin. There are two types. Physical exfoliation. Uses granules to scrub away dead cells. Be gentle to avoid irritation. Chemical exfoliation. Uses acids, AHA, BHA, to dissolve dead skin cells. Suitable for all skin types but particularly beneficial for acne-prone and aging skin. Call to action. Reveal radiant skin with our gentle chemical exfoliant. Masks and peels. Incorporate masks and peels into your routine for extra skin benefits. Hydrating masks. Great for dry skin, providing deep hydration. Call to action. Quench your skin's thirst with our hydrating mask. Clay masks. Ideal for oily and acne-prone skin. They absorb excess oil and unclog pores. Call to action. Detoxify your skin with our purifying clay mask. Chemical peels. Use for exfoliation and improving skin texture and tone. Call to action. Transform your skin with our at-home chemical peel. Spot treatments. Target acne and blemishes with spot treatments containing active ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. Call to action. Zap zits fast with our powerful spot treatment. Skincare for different ages. Teens. Focus on gentle cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection. Address acne with appropriate treatments. Call to action. Keep teen skin clear with our acne-fighting products. 20s. Preventative care is key. Incorporate antioxidants like vitamin C and start using sunscreen daily. Call to action. Boost your glow with our antioxidant-rich serum. 30s. Begin using anti-aging products. Look for retinoids, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. Call to action. Combat early signs of aging with our retinoid cream. 40s and beyond. Focus on hydration, firming, and brightening. Use rich moisturizers and treatments for age spots and wrinkles. Call to action. Firm and brighten mature skin with our advanced anti-aging line. Ingredients to look for. Hydrating ingredients. Hyaluronic acid. Attracts and retains moisture. Glycerin. Hydrates by drawing water into the skin. Call to action. Deeply hydrate with our hyaluronic acid serum. Anti-aging ingredients. Retinoids. Promote cell turnover and collagen production. Vitamin C. Brightens and evens skin tone. Call to action. Turn back time with our powerful anti-aging serum. Acne-fighting ingredients. Salicylic acid. Exfoliates and unclogs pores. Benzoyl peroxide. Kills acne-causing bacteria. Call to action. Clear acne fast with our targeted treatments. Soothing ingredients. Aloe vera. Calms and soothes irritated skin. Chamomile. Reduces redness and inflammation. Call to action. Soothe sensitive skin with our calming serum. D skincare. Homemade masks. Create masks using ingredients like honey, yogurt, and oats for hydration and soothing. Call to action. Pamper yourself with our DIY mask recipes. Natural cleansers. Use gentle, natural ingredients like honey and oil for cleansing. Call to action. Cleanse naturally with our homemade cleanser guide. Exfoliants from your kitchen. Use sugar, coffee grounds, or oatmeal for gentle exfoliation. Call to action. Exfoliate naturally with our DIY exfoliants. Diet and lifestyle for healthy skin. Nutrition for skin health. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Call to action. Feed your skin with our top nutritional tips. Importance of hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from within. Call to action. Stay hydrated for glowing skin. Effects of sleep on skin. Adequate sleep helps in skin repair and regeneration. Call to action. Sleep your way to better skin. Managing stress. Practice stress-relieving activities to prevent stress-induced skin issues. Call to action. Calm your mind for calmer skin. Skincare myths and facts. Debunking common myths. Clarify misconceptions such as, oily skin doesn't need moisturizer, and, natural products are always better. Call to action. Get the facts straight with our myth-busting guide. Evidence-based skincare practices. Focus on practices backed by science for effective skincare. Call to action. Trust science for the best skincare results. Conclusion. Summary of key points. Recap the essential aspects of a comprehensive skincare routine. Encouragement to start or continue a skincare journey. Motivate readers to take action on their skincare goals. Call to action. Start your journey to healthier skin today with our complete skincare line. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe.